Okay guys, so we have Toyota Prado 2007 model. We're going to check the underneath suspension due to knocking noise. Now we remove the both front tires. There is grease leaking in the axle shaft, the outer axle boot. Also here in front left side, the axle bolt was damaged already. That's why all grease coming out. Okay. We have to remove this front underneath cover, front under skid, so that we can check the engine and transmission under bay. Okay, so no oil leak in front of the engine. Then next this rear under skid of our transmission and engine.
Also, the gearbox holding not good. This, this day, see vibration.
There's oil leak in between engine and transmission. Probably this one from rear crankshaft oil seal. We will tighten all the...
Now you have to hold that check magas, this one magas. Okay, lubrication will what?
Okay,
Then full tight on this one.
I will tighten all.
This year also shock up. Shock up.
There's no in our inner rod.
Huh?
Inner rod.
Leaking?
No, in play.
No.
Nothing, huh?
No.
So, okay. We'll tighten and lubricate all the suspension bolts. Engine support still good. Is there? Transmission support still good also. Okay. Must be more power.
Eso para mo kasi.
Okay. Tighten. Push. Okay.
Vibration.
Vibration, ha?
See now this one also?
Okay.
Oh. Ayo, good.
No, wait. Not yet. Ay, no.
Huh?
We have to...
Brake tape.
Okay.
Udah.
What's up?
Huh?
More. Okay, tagi. Wait. Okay. Okay guys, so we finished the front suspension tightening bolts and nuts. Now we are going to return back the underneath engine cover and the front skid. Okay. Okay guys, so we are also here, Rav4 2017. We are going to change the rear differential gear oil and transfer gear oil. Then also we are going to clean the throttle body of our engine. Okay, very clear. What's model this one?
Let me skin for.
Okay, we put jack stand in both rear lower arm. Then we will remove this crocodile jack. We will pull down slowly. Okay. Stop. So that's the pillar plug of our differential. Then here we'll drain the gear oil. Okay, we'll remove this one. We'll use number 10 Allen wrench. Okay, to open the drain flap. We will use the container. Okay. Okay, we have to remove the pillar tab. Yeah. This the one. Okay, so we put hose to refill our rear differential with gear oil. Okay. We'll put oil panel. Okay. Put oil. Okay, coming. Yeah, it's dropping inside the differential. Very nice. We will until oil drops. It means it already pull the differential oil. Now full, already drops. Okay, I will remove we will wait until the last drop of gear oil. Then we will put the pillar plug. Okay. Fixing back the pillar plug.
This one is?
Aywa. Then tighten. Okay, done. Okay. Oh, GL5.
Gel 5, huh?
So this is the drain plug and that is the pillar plug. Okay, so we will drain the gear oil of our transfer. Okay.
Same.
Hmm.
They go cold.
So now we will remove, insert the hose so that we can put or refill our transfer case with gear oil GL5. Okay, coming. We are refilling gear oil, our transfer case. So we will put the pillar plug until the gear oil stop dropping. Okay, we'll use this Allen wrench L type to tighten the pillar plug. Okay. Cleaning throttle body.
Holding this one, sir.
Too much dirty. So we switch on the ignition switch. Then we put pipe in our accelerator pedal so that the throttle valve will open, fully open, so that we can easily clean the throttle body. Okay, very dirty.
Yeah.
Okay,
You know before?
very clean.
Before very dirty.
Now
Now very nice.
before
New.
very dirty, now
Like they
very
new.
clean, like brand new.
I'm brand new.
Okay. Okay, start. Okay. So, right. We finish the cleaning of total body. Together the rear differential and transfer gear oil we change. So Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.